Hello guys, this is a new package again from the VTD Automotive Jakarta Barat. Okay, fuel seagulls. This is the things. Okay, let's check it out. Sorry, the camera is sleepers. Okay. 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 The packaging is very tight. Good. Okay, this is it. Voila. Oh, this is the black one. Okay, great. Let's see. This is the inside. This. I think the function is same. This is to open a kind of pines. Tush, 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 like that. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching. Different color. This is the black one. Okay. The tools. this things is to open the headlamp from the steel material. Need to have, must have the retrofit. Okay, the finishing is rather not good in there. Okay, this is isolator, so something electric shock attack here, your hand will be safety enough in there. Okay, that's it. The things. Oh no, that's the other things. We buy these things. Okay, like that. Thank you for watching. This is the items.